NSG is the parent company of Pilkington, a truly global brand. And it's the sole aim of people that work at this facility to keep this company best in glass. Today, we've been given special permission to film with Kevin Sanderson, Head of Innovation and the man responsible for Pilkington Activ self-cleaning glass. So what actually goes on here then?
Architects and sort of home designers are coming up with new and innovative use of glass all the time. Our job here at the Innovation Centre is to make sure our glass technology stays at the forefront.
And clearly you have innovation at your heart, because if I'm right, I think you were part of the original team that developed Pilkington Activ self-cleaning glass.
Pilkington Activ development 15 years ago was just the start. Since then, we've actually put it onto blue glass. Blue glass is important because it actually improves the aesthetics and also sort of provides some solar control performance. We've gone one stage further. We now have Pilkington Activ combined on one piece of glass with a second coating. That second coating provides enhanced solar control performance so that it improves the comfort and the usability of glass sort of extensions and things like that.
So there you have it. There's a number of factors to consider when it comes to selecting the right material for your very own bespoke glass extension, be that thermal, solar, insulation, and even soundproofing. But for me, one product which has certainly stood the test of time has got to be Pilkington Activ. So until next time, it's goodbye from me. Goodbye.